Vlogmas a little bit different this year because I'm really bad at Vlogmas. If you've watched, is this out of focus? I can't tell. Sorry if this is out of focus. If you can't tell, I'm driving right now, which I'll get to in a second. If you've watched my channel for some time, you know that I did Vlogmas when I was a senior in high school. That's the first year I did it, and then I did it my freshman year of college, and then last year I started it and then I only did like 4 days and it wasn't going well, so I took it down. I'm trying again this year, but I'm just gonna try something new. Every year I'm not able to keep up with the every single day uploads, so I'm gonna be doing it in weeks. So we're gonna have Vlogmas week 1, week 2, whatever. So I'm gonna incorporate all of the days, but I'm not gonna try so hard to get footage, a lot of footage from every single day, because all of my Vlogmases ended up just being me talking a bunch because I wouldn't film and then I just talk about my day, and that's like not really that entertaining to watch. But also I really enjoy going back and watching my Vlogmases from previous years, so it's also kind of for me. It's actually literally 12:02, so it's 2 minutes into December. I am currently driving home from Pennsylvania. I went to visit my family for Thanksgiving. So I've been driving for probably like, what, 6 hours? And I have about 9 hours left. I'm actually way ahead of schedule. Hey guys, I forgot to update there for a little bit because I actually stopped in like maybe halfway through South Carolina and took a nap at a rest stop in my car for like about 45 minutes. I think I spent like almost an hour off the road, so I'm not gonna get there till like closer to like 10:15, 10:30-ish now. I don't even remember if I said earlier that I was like feeling nauseous, but I was sick for a little bit there. That's kind of why I stopped. Hey guys, I look crusty. I feel like that is like the theme of my Vlogmas videos, always. I'm about to turn in to the complex where I live, so I'm pretty much home. I'm just gonna unload my stuff from the car, go inside, say hi to my only roommate that's home right now, Mackenzie, and then go to bed. I'm so tired. Hey guys, today is Monday. I just got back from class and I'm in bed. Last night I got home, well, yesterday at like noon, I got home from my drive and I just slept all day, and I had a really rough day, like emotionally, because I was so sleep deprived. Literally every little thing made me upset, so I was just like not in the mood to be vlogging, but I was just sleeping anyways. But today, right now I'm laying in bed eating Hershey Kiss candy canes, Hershey Kisses, whatever, and watching the Santa Claus. And I'm just gonna relax for a little bit and take a nap. I had class early this morning and it's like kind of far away, so I had to do like a little bit of a drive, and I work tonight. But then I'm just gonna be like cleaning and washing my makeup brushes and stuff like that. So I'll show you guys more of that stuff when I'm actually doing it. But right now I'm just not feeling good. My belly hurts, I have a headache, I'm really still tired. Guys, long time no see and I still look like a crackhead. So I'm in the car right now running some errands. I didn't vlog. Today's December 3rd, by the way. Hey. I didn't vlog yesterday because I was gonna do all this stuff and then I started to not feel good. And I've been not feeling good ever since. So I spent all day yesterday in bed being sick, and that's like no fun to vlog. And then I went to work last night and I was literally like puking at work. It was so bad. And then today I stayed in bed until like 3 o'clock and then worked on homework. So I was doing homework and sleeping and being sick all day. So it is like a great way to kick off Vlogmas, I know. I just ran to Ulta real quick because I'm like running out of so much stuff. Just feeling so disgusting and tired and ugh. But yeah, so hopefully it'll pick up a little bit. Hopefully once I start feeling better. Okay guys, so it's nighttime. I went to Ulta, which I think I told you guys about earlier, and then I hung out with my roommates for a little bit. I did my makeup and I'm wearing the Juvia's Place Stick Foundation, and and the new concealer. I don't know how I feel about it because if you can't tell, it's very creasy under my eyes. But I don't know, I need to test it out. I have had very dry skin lately from being sick, so I feel like it's partially that, but otherwise like the foundation looks good. Now I'm going to work. Yay.
So, this is the girl behind the camera. She looks very ugly right now, so you will not be seeing what she looks like.
Oh, did you get a tough eyebrow?
Tonight is Roomie's night.
Hey,
and
hey, don't show them your feet.
Yeah, you gotta make
Oh! You...
Be careful.
Yeah, you're right. These are precious gold. These are money makers.
Money makers.
So yeah, we were supposed to bake cookies, but we kind of did.
No, we definitely baked them. We
just popped them in the oven.
And we were gonna decorate the tree, but we didn't.
Yeah,
do that either.
honestly.
we're going to. I'm finishing this.
No, honestly, the battery's about to die, and I'm so tired.
No,
we're not.
we didn't even make a TikTok either.
No, I'm not going to bed.
Hey guys, I'm always in bed and being lazy when I decide to vlog, but today is the 5th and I'm actually doing stuff today. So yesterday, well, first of all, I already went to class this morning. It's actually like 1 o'clock, like 1:26. So I already went to class this morning. It was super boring and I only have one assignment to do today because I already did the other one. I got ahead of the game and I have a lot of laundry and cleaning to do, and then I'm setting up my new desk, which is actually my old desk. If you watched my old house tour, the desk I had in my filming room, I just brought down from my mom's house and I'm gonna use it to replace the little Walmart desk I have for my makeup stuff now. And then I'm going to show you guys my room. So if you've wanted to see a little room tour, you will finally be able to see it. And I'm going to go through my whole little room for you guys. But first, I'm going to take a nap. So I will see you guys when I wake up. Okay guys, so it's, I don't know if you can hear her out there. Mackenzie's out there flipping out because John Mayer has 1 billion streams on Spotify and Khalid has 1.8 billion. But I'm gonna give you a really quick room tour because I finished my room. So this is my room at a glance. So I have my keyboard that I got on Amazon. I still have some clothes that are drying. Computer, desk came here. My bedding is the same bedding I used in my old room, and I have these pink sheets. I normally have like sage green sheets, but they're in the wash. I've got these vines that I got on Amazon, and I got flowers just from like the craft store that I stuck up there, and then my mirror right here is from Walmart. And then over here I have these 2 little paintings that I just really quickly made on some cardboard that I got at Walmart. This love sign was in my cousin's wedding and they gave it to my mom and I stole it. Well, she said I could have it, but and I decorated it with flowers and stuff. And then my TV, this really ugly sketchy ratchet duct tape thing to make it blend into the wall. And then this is the desk I just put in, so I have, it makes it just a lot more clean and it looks nicer, so I'm really excited about that. My beauty light. This is a bag of clothes that I'm going to take to my mom's house, but I have another mirror that matches that one hung on the door. This was my sign for my 21st birthday from my sign night. My little mini fridge, this came here, the little stand, I have my snacks under it. And then this, I don't know where it's from because my roommate Caitlin got it for me for my birthday, and all I have on it is my EDC band and a picture that my nephew drew for me, but I'm gonna add more. I've got over here pictures. I've got Bebop, Brittany, and Carson. And I have these little accents at the top of like everything. There's one on the piano because it fell down that goes in the middle, but they're everywhere. My closet. Okay, my camera died, so I had to switch out my battery, but real quick. So the best part about my room that I didn't even show you guys is my lights. I have these LED lights around all the edges, and they were here when I got here, so they were like free, but I like this setting the best because I just feel like it makes my room look super cool. I like this one, and I like the red, and I like the purple, but I think, oh, actually we're gonna keep the purple for now. So anyways, yeah, cool lights add to the vibiness of my room. But back to my closet. I just have my shoes. This is my dirty laundry. These drawers I got from Walmart, maybe Target, and they have my makeup in them. And then I got these bins from Walmart. I used to just have boxes and sheets and stuff up there, but I had too many things on hangers, so I got these bins, and I have like accessories, like hats and scarves and stuff, and then tank tops, leggings and sweatpants, and then skirts. And then I just have my towels and stuff over there. So nice little closet. And then this is what it looks like from this angle. I really need to hang that thingy back up, but I just love the way, I don't know, I just love my room. I think it's so cute, and I like this wall, and I really like this painting. This one I'm not a fan of because I did it in literally like 30 seconds, but I just feel like everything just looks so nice, and the desk just like completes it. Then my bathroom is in here, and I have another little flower thingy at the top, and then this is a little paddle that my friend Nicole made me for my 21st birthday. I have this thing behind the toilet that, again, the girl who lived here before left it here, so that was really nice. I got this cool thing that just has like all my stuff in it. It's actually like really messy, but whatever. And then right now all my makeup brushes are on the floor because I washed a lot of them. And then just my shower, and I have this little sign. I got this and I just printed it out because I didn't want to buy an actual one, and I put it in a frame. So yeah, that is my whole room for those of you who were interested in seeing it. So now I'm going to take a shower and start getting ready because Mackenzie and I are gonna go into Guild tonight, which is the club that I work at. Okay, so I'm all ready. This is my outfit. I'll show you Mackenzie's. Oh yeah, you need to be in it. I was just about to go show your outfit.
Oh.
Nicole's gonna drive us because she's not going anymore, and she's finishing up some notes. So then we're gonna go, and I'm probably not gonna vlog at all while we're there. Hello, vlogmas.
Hello, vlog.
Hello, vlog. We're going to Gringo's, and Mikey's roommate is gonna drive us because we all have had a wee bit much to drink. And I should have vlogged on it. And Mikey
had
too.
a good time
Hello,
with good
my name is
people.
Bob. Did you-
Wait, we didn't put any ornaments on it yet, but it's still really cute. Wait, it's out of focus. Hang on.
I just want to say that I genuinely believe that we should have this tree every day of the year because the vibe that it radiates is so magical.
Such a mean vibe.
And we
I
just
can't get it to focus. I'm trying, but
need
it's...
that vibe.
Yeah,
Oh,
this
why
camera
is-
is crazy right now.
Wait, it just focused. It just focused and you walked away.
Oh,
There we go.
chicken nugget.
Hello, vlog. I never even talked today, but today is... What day of the week is it? What number of December is it? The 6th? Is today the 6th?
Yeah.
Okay, it's the 6th. But this morning, Mackenzie and I have just been hanging out all day. Kristen is back in the Keys. She's coming home tomorrow though, and Caitlin's been at work and we miss them so much. We did some homework and watched Christmas movies and just chilled out. Now Mackenzie's getting gas and we're gonna run some errands and stuff. Mackenzie's also dying. She's like so sick.
Dying.
Oh, I love how you have a car seat in the back of your car. You're such a mom.
I'm just trying to get through the holidays.
You're true. Christmas is the greatest day in the whole wide world.
Please stop talking to me.
Uh-oh. Sounds like someone needs to sing a Christmas carol.
No way.
Best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear.
Thanks, but I don't.
My camera is balancing. I have a thing of face cream, and then on top of that is a thing of coconut oil, and then my can of hairspray, and the camera's balancing on top of that, so if it falls down, that's why. Today is December 7th, right? Yeah, it's December 7th. It is officially Saturday. It's 4:16 in the morning. I just got home from work. I had an extra long night at work tonight, taking my makeup off and getting ready for bed, but I wanted to like check in. I'm exhausted, and I am just taking my makeup off, and then I'm gonna brush my teeth, and I'm gonna go to bed. And tomorrow, I'm pretty sure we're just doing homework all day. Hi guys, so today is the 7th of December. It's actually the 7th. It was already the 7th this morning when I vlogged when I got home from work, but it was like 4 in the morning, and that was the end of last week's video. Doing homework stuff. I have a bunch of finals, so I'm making my cheat sheet for my stats test. And Caitlin's cooking. What are you cooking? It's on you.
Eggplant parmesan.
Ooh, she's literally been cooking for so long. I don't understand.
It's not that long.
It's a long time. But wave, Mackenzie. Just throws up a peace sign. Kristen comes home today. Tomorrow. I thought she was coming tonight still.
She told me Monday.
Oh my god.
Sad.
We miss her.
Miss you, Kristen. We miss you.
Caitlin finished her eggplant parm and she just cleaned all the like crusty stuff off the edges so she can take a good picture. Look at her pile of cleaning supplies.
Is that pretty?
You're so funny. Wait, that's a really good picture.
Anyone else want to dye their hair?
I already dyed mine when I was going through my life crisis.
I wanted to do like more like a bubbly like. I've always wanted to do like a red like that. I didn't realize I was.
Can you hold up what you're getting? She said she didn't want my eggplant parmesan, so she's getting lasagna. Well, at least we're all gonna be Italian tonight.
True.
And then we have Miss Vegan over here.
I can't decide if I want the cashew butter blonde or the
Is that just a
almond.
All right, so we made it to the candy section. I'm supposed to be on a diet.
These are the best.
Oh, those are really good.
They're normally only out.
Oh, pumpkin bread down.
Yes.
Can I be your friend? Yeah.
Oh my god.
Of course.
I'm gonna be in the video.
Yeah, look at your fit our you fit our theme with the sweater.
Attacked Kai a couple times. He knows.
Okay, I finished this thingy. I've literally been working on it for so many hours. Nicole's here. Nicole, you haven't been in it yet. Say hi. I'm zooming in.
Hi, I look ugly, but hi.
It's okay. Everybody's doing homework. We got lots of food. Matt got lots of candy. We all got candy, actually. But Mackenzie got a lot of candy. We have an extra dog here right now. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.